Still further Anambra gubernatorial election. Mahmood don talk say Edo and Ondo state elections pass free and fair as Anambra state's political parties sign peace accord. Candidates for all the political parties on Thursday don chook hand sign the peace accord ahead of Saturday, November 6th election for Dora Akunyili Women Development Center, Oka, Anambra State. As Anambra dey face current situation will never make the state balance well, National Peace Committee wey organize the program appeal to parties and candidates to dey committed to peace before, during and after the election. INEC Chairman Professor Mahmood Yakubu said the signing of the peace accord will start for Edo on 15th September 2020 and for Ondo for 6th October 2020 will make everybody judge the elections to be free, fair and credible. Gosti help for Anambra.
For the first time, the National Peace Committee organized the signing of the peace accord in Edo on 15th September 2020 and in Ondo on 6th October 2020. Despite the palpable tension that characterized the two elections, Edo and Ondo passed off peacefully and the elections were adjudged by all to be free and fair and credible. Faced with the current situation in Anambra State, the Commission once again appealed to the Peace Committee to bring parties and candidates to commit to peace before, during, and after the elections. We believe that Anambra cannot be different from Edo and Ondo. For this reason, we are also confident that just like Edo and Ondo, the election on Saturday will be peaceful and the outcome will reflect the will of the Anambra voters.
Former head of state Abdusalami Abubakar talk said the signing of the peace no be normal exercise, but na call for all the candidates of the political parties plus the people from Anambra to commit themselves to peaceful election. Him still advise say make them access the outcome of Saturday vote so far it dey free, fair and credible.
Almost every election in Nigeria is accompanied by violence, ballot box snatching, vote buying, outright disruption of the process, and in some cases, the intimidation of ordinary citizens who simply want to select a leader who will govern them. We, members of the National Peace Committee, have come to Anambra State to support a peaceful electoral process. We cherish Anambra State and we cherish the peace and unity of Nigeria. Most importantly, we want to contribute our own quota to see that the governorship election in Anambra State is divorced of violence. Therefore, the signing of the peace accord today is not a mere exercise. It is indeed a clarion call for all the candidates and the political parties and all Anambarians to commit themselves to a peaceful process.
Inspector General of Police, where DIG Joseph Egbunike represent, still took mouth talk say he advised people to follow the rules, make peace for the election.
The panacea for any development is peace. Peace for your generation. Peace for generations yet unborn. What else do IG hear? Nothing. Other than those who have ears will hear. He has spoken a lot yesterday. But one thing I can assure you is that the police force, the army, and other security agencies posted in Anambra State will remain calm, will remain firm, and will remain professional. We will maintain the tenets of the SOP as provided by the law. We will ensure that nobody disturbs your peace. We will ensure that any act or omission that tells the will of the government will dealt to therein. There is no room for the peace, the good hospitality Anambra is known for, being disturbed at this hour of need.
November Number 3, INEC meets political parties plus other stakeholders for Awka for quest for peaceful election before, during and after the election. From Awka, Osatuame Ogbeide.